Welcome to our deep dive into one of the healthiest vegetables around, broccoli. We're talking about the superfood you should absolutely be eating. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, known for its tree-like structure and incredible nutritional profile. It's versatile, delicious, and easy to incorporate into almost any meal. From raw salads to cooked dishes, broccoli is a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. Let's take a quick look at why this simple green veggie is considered a superfood. Broccoli is loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. It truly is a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit your health in numerous ways. So what exactly are the health benefits of adding more broccoli to your diet? Let's explore the key advantages. Broccoli is exceptionally high in vitamin C, which supports your immune system, and vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. The high fiber content in broccoli aids in digestion and gut health, while its potent antioxidants help protect your cells from damage. Regular consumption of broccoli is linked to improved heart health and stronger immunity, thanks to its unique composition of beneficial compounds. To get the most out of your broccoli, you need to know how to pick the best heads and keep them fresh. Look for heads of broccoli that are dark green or purple green, firm to the touch, and have tightly closed florets. Avoid any yellowing, which indicates spoilage. Store fresh broccoli loosely wrapped in the refrigerator. Avoid washing it until you're ready to use it to maintain its crispness and nutritional value. Broccoli is incredibly versatile. Here are some of the best and easiest ways to prepare this nutritious vegetable. Whether you prefer steaming for maximum nutrient retention, roasting for a sweet, caramelized flavor, or quick stir-frying, broccoli tastes amazing prepared in many ways. For a simple, delicious side dish, try garlic roasted broccoli. Toss florets with olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper, then roast until tender and slightly crispy. To wrap up, let's summarize why broccoli deserves a permanent spot in your diet. Broccoli is nutrient-dense, offers numerous health benefits, and is incredibly versatile in the kitchen, making it a simple choice for a healthier lifestyle. So go ahead and incorporate this amazing superfood into your daily meals. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching.